it's Connie with SimplySimpleStamping.com. Thanks so much for joining me for my 2-minute tip. Today I'm going to be talking to you about your brand new catalog. I know many of you have that catalog in your hot little hands. My tip is something that's going to make your catalog become more useful to you throughout the years you use it. I think you can see what I'm talking about. I had my catalog spiral bound. I also have just a clear laminate cover on the front and on the back, so it kind of protects my catalog. But let me tell you a little bit of the few reasons on why I love to spiral bound my catalogs. When I'm working with my new catalog, maybe a new stamp set, and you see Stampin' Up! Has all these great ideas, but this catalog is awfully big to sit on my stamping space. I love having it spiral bound, so it's just a nice flip. It's not going to take up as much room. Also, you notice that when I had it open, it lays flat versus that big curve in the middle. You know what I'm talking about. The little wonderful little mountains that we get there on the side. And it just makes it a more useful tool. Guys, to me, my catalog is an inspiration book. I love having all of these ideas, and just having it spiral bound really makes a difference. I had this done at Staples here in the United States. I went to Staples, $5, and I had it spiral bound. Guys, for a catalog that I'm going to be using for a year, I think that is well worth it. And be sure to tune into Simply Simple Stamping on June 6th, and I'll share with you how to create these great catalog tabs. They're going to get you right where you want to be in your catalog with just a flip of a tab. You'll see that on June 6th, 2018 at Simply Simple Stamping. Guys, let's make these catalogs work for us this year. Have a great Tuesday. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.